I have three hot takes on time management. Number one, daily planning is broken. This day-by-day structure is not enough structure to be able to balance all that life throws at us, combining personal life with business, with all of the different sides of our business world. Day by day is not good enough. Number two, starting planning each week from zero with nothing is extremely inefficient and ineffective. You do not start from scratch with your business. You do not start from scratch with sports that you play. You come up with a structure and you iterate on that structure day after day, week after week, until it gets better and better and better. And we should be doing the same thing with how we manage our time. Number three, the vast majority of us, especially founders, have almost no accountability to what we're actually doing with our time, and very little feedback, very little kind of reviewing of what actually happened with our time. And this leaves us to make the same mistakes over and over and over again. These three main reasons are why I created Forzeit. This is a new way to manage your time, and I believe it does a very good job of solving those three key issues which are missing from the current apps available in the world. Number one, planning is built on a weekly structure. This weekly structure allows for a broader view into the future, which gives us a better chance to kind of balance against all of these different weights and challenges between personal and business and all of the different factors of our life. Our life is complex and daily is not enough. Weekly is the right view and cadence to planning, in my view. Number two, a weekly templating system is really the core of the entire Forzeit system. This is where you essentially plan the perfect example week of what your world could be like. If you had no issues and you just delivered on the perfect week every single week, what would that be? So you build from that in a template, and then each week you build to reality. So of course reality changes and it adjusts, but building from this core template both saves you time and it allows you to play with how to approach day by day. Like, do you start with your meditation? Do you start with your deep work? Do you find that calls in the afternoon work better or in the morning? All of these factors are things that you can play with, and having a weekly template allows for you to play with those things, learn and iterate and improve. And number three is the feedback. So this is built around Ava. Ava is your AI assistant. She is there to support you. She coaches you. She gives you feedback. She gives it in a form of a weekly report on what you're actually doing with your time. You set these plans, but what does reality actually look like? So that you can then again iterate and improve on that template and develop over time. Ava also works with you on more day-to-day smaller things. So congratulating you on a good day's work, or highlighting that you keep missing that morning meditation, and just asking the question, why did you set that in the first place? What is that there for? These great questions that a coach might ask to encourage you to make the right decisions and do more of what you say you want to do, achieve the goals that you've set for yourself. I personally have already fallen in love with this system. This is my dream of an app. Of course it is, because I made it. And many others, though, are starting to enjoy this. We're still a very young business, but people have already moved from some really big names in the industry, and I'm really excited for that. If you are interested in giving this a try, there's a 21-day free trial. All you have to do is head to forzeit.com and try out a new way to manage your time.